Oh no. Hey, it's BrickTsar, also known as Aria, and I have finally got this Lego boost working with the roller coaster. I actually don't even know what I'm doing. There's like no instructions with this thing, but I don't even know if this is the program that works. I just know when I push that green button, this thing works. And just before we get started into the video, you do need to have fresh batteries, not just rechargeables. I put some brand new Energizer Bunny batteries in there, and the thing is bright and ready to go. So let's show you how this thing works. I'm going to hit the play button. And it's got sounds going on there. Timing is important. So we got Mardi Gras Man, BrickTsar, and Lego Freak riding this thing. Now listen. Isn't that neat? Who's making those sounds? Is it Mardi Gras Man? Is it BrickTsar? Is it Lego Freak? I guess that was me, huh? I was working with the boost. I just wanted to show you all this. Let's stop it. So we stopped it. Alright, so I stopped it there. There's no red button. Stop. That's all I know how to do right now. I'll probably try to learn some more. But let's just show you how it works. When everybody built this, the boost goes on this part here where those jumper plates are. So we'll put it right back there. Oh, if I can do it. Hold on. And this is the little sensor that I think detects it. And there's this little piece here was hanging right there. And so you connect that on it, and then the motor connects really easy. I like using this better than the power functions, actually, even though it's a much more expensive option. And so I had a hard time setting this up. Let's see if we can do it. What happens if I go to one of these other users? Sorry for the high tech. Let's do Aaron. No, let's do Ava. I don't think anything's there. I'm going to see what happens. Hey. Alright, so there's nothing on here. Let's see what happens if I hit play. Nothing. Alright, so let's set it up. Let's see. The way this thing works is you drag. Actually, I don't want to do that. I'll do this one. I'll do a stop. And then we'll do this one. I don't know if I was supposed to do all of them or not. I just do it like that, see what happens. Oh, then you gotta hold it down. Alright. I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, this is so confusing. Yeah, it's hard to know. Nope, that's not it. All right, let's go back. That didn't work. This is why I'm just not. I'm not the guy for showing you how to do boost. So I'm gonna go back to Aria, and then all you got to do. Uh-oh, it started. So this is the program that is working. All I know is somebody needs to make a proper tutorial for this. So we got the boost added. I still don't know how this thing works, but it's working. That's all that matters. Anyway, I'll keep trying to work with this, see if I can figure out this boost any better. And thanks for watching this video. It's BrickTsar.